Join me dear, I'm going to inform you about amazing information about latest devices of technology. The smart device industry is on the brink of a major revolution in 2025, with groundbreaking innovations set to transform daily life in both the USA and India. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe now. With advancements in AI, IoT, and sustainable technology, the upcoming smart devices promise to deliver enhanced efficiency, security, and convenience like never before. One of the most anticipated developments is the integration of AI-powered personal assistants into everyday appliances, making homes smarter and more intuitive. From refrigerators that auto-restock groceries to voice-controlled ovens that suggest recipes based on available ingredients, AI is set to redefine modern living. Wearable technology is evolving at a rapid pace, with next-generation smartwatches and fitness bands featuring real-time health monitoring, non-invasive glucose tracking, and even early detection of potential illnesses. These devices will be equipped with advanced biometric sensors that offer personalized health recommendations, making proactive healthcare a reality. Smart glasses are also making a comeback, offering augmented reality overlays for navigation, work productivity, and even immersive entertainment experiences. Smart home security systems will be more sophisticated, featuring facial recognition, AI-driven threat detection, and blockchain-secure data encryption to prevent cyber threats. Devices such as smart locks, video doorbells, and home surveillance systems will use predictive analytics to detect unusual activities and alert homeowners in real time. Energy-efficient smart grids and connected thermostats will play a crucial role in reducing energy consumption and promoting sustainability. In the world of entertainment, AI-driven smart TVs will adapt to user preferences, offering personalized content recommendations and interactive features. Voice-controlled remote-free operation, immersive 3D visuals, and even holographic projections are expected to redefine the way people consume media. In India, where streaming services are booming, these smart TVs will integrate seamlessly with regional language support and AI-powered dubbing for a richer user experience. The automobile industry is set for a major transformation, with autonomous and AI-assisted smart vehicles becoming more mainstream. Smart electric vehicles will feature enhanced self-driving capabilities, voice-controlled AI assistants, and real-time traffic analytics to optimize routes. In the USA, companies like Tesla and Rivian are leading the way, while India's automobile sector is catching up with innovations from Tata and Ola Electric, bringing affordable smart mobility solutions. Smart cities are also becoming a reality, with AI-powered infrastructure that streamlines traffic management, waste disposal, and energy conservation. Intelligent street lighting, automated public transport systems, and drone-based deliveries will be widely implemented, enhancing urban living standards in both countries. AI integrated air purifiers and smart water filtration systems will address environmental concerns, ensuring cleaner air and safer drinking water in densely populated regions. In the field of education, smart classrooms powered by AI and VR will offer immersive learning experiences. AI-driven tutors will provide personalized learning paths, and VR-based simulations will enhance practical education in science, engineering, and medical fields. India's growing edtech sector is embracing these innovations, making education more accessible to students across urban and rural areas. E-commerce and retail will witness the rise of AI-driven shopping experiences, with smart mirrors in stores offering virtual try-ons and cashierless checkouts simplifying the shopping process. In India, AI-powered voice shopping in regional languages will enhance accessibility, while in the USA, drone deliveries and automated warehouses will make online shopping faster and more efficient. The healthcare sector will see smart medical devices equipped with AI-powered diagnostics and robotic-assisted surgeries. Wearable ECG monitors, AI-driven early disease detection tools, and smart contact lenses that monitor glucose levels in real time will revolutionize patient care. Telemedicine will become even more advanced, offering AI-powered remote consultations with instant diagnostics and prescriptions. With the convergence of AI, IoT, and sustainable technologies, 2025 will be a landmark year for smart devices in the USA and India. These innovations will not only enhance convenience and security but also contribute to sustainability and improved quality of life, making the future of smart technology more exciting than ever. The smartphone industry is constantly evolving, and 2025 is set to introduce some of the most advanced mobile technology we've ever seen. One of the most anticipated new models is expected to feature cutting-edge AI capabilities, allowing for seamless integration of voice assistants, smart automation, and even predictive behavior analysis to enhance user experience. The upcoming smartphone will likely incorporate a powerful processor built on a 3-nanometer architecture, ensuring lightning-fast performance and improved power efficiency. Battery technology is also taking a significant leap forward. With graphene-based batteries and ultra-fast charging capabilities, users can expect to go from 0 to full charge in just a matter of minutes. In addition, solar and wireless charging innovations will make staying connected easier than ever. Foldable and rollable display technology is another trend expected to dominate in 2025, offering users a compact design that can expand into a tablet-sized screen whenever needed. These OLED and micro-LED displays will deliver unparalleled resolution, vibrant colors, and improved durability. Cameras on smartphones are reaching DSLR-level quality, with the upcoming model boasting a 200-megapixel main sensor, periscope zoom with up to 100x magnification, and advanced computational photography features powered by AI. Real-time object tracking, night mode enhancements, and video stabilization will make professional-grade photography accessible to everyone. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, integration are becoming key features, transforming the way users interact with their surroundings, play games, and even shop online. Security is another major focus for the latest smartphones. Biometric advancements such as under-display fingerprint sensors and facial recognition using 3D mapping technology will provide robust security while maintaining convenience. Additionally, blockchain-based security measures will ensure data privacy and protection against cyber threats. Connectivity is getting a major upgrade with 6G technology on the horizon. This next-gen network will enable ultra-fast data transfer speeds, minimal latency, and improved connectivity in remote areas. AI-powered antennas and satellite communication support will ensure uninterrupted connections worldwide. Software improvements include seamless AI-powered voice translation, advanced multitasking capabilities, and highly customizable user interfaces that adapt to individual preferences. Sustainability is a big priority for smartphone manufacturers. Future models will be made using eco-friendly materials, with modular designs that allow for easier repairs and component upgrades. Companies are focusing on reducing electronic waste and increasing recyclability, aligning with global efforts to minimize environmental impact. The 2025 flagship smartphone is poised to be a game-changer, combining innovation, performance, and sustainability in a sleek and futuristic design. With AI-driven capabilities, top-tier cameras, revolutionary battery technology, and next-level security features, this new model is set to redefine what's possible in the world of mobile technology. The future of smartphones is closer than we think, and it's looking more exciting than ever.